Hi, my name is Randy and I am an equipment repair technician with the Communications Division of the Virginia State Police. For the last 2 years, I have worked at the installation facility where my team and I are responsible for upfitting all patrol and undercover vehicles with needed equipment, such as emergency lighting, radio equipment, camera equipment, canine heat alarms, push bumpers, and barriers. It can take over 40 hours to upfit one patrol vehicle for use in the field because we strip the vehicle to its bare bones and install all wiring, lights, antennas, radios, and light controllers for each vehicle. Additionally, we upfit vehicles for 21 other Commonwealth agencies with equipment needed for participation on the STARS radio network. When vehicles have reached their end of life, they are repurposed for civilian employees, or if they have been involved in an accident, workers at the installation facility will also decommission the vehicles by removing all emergency equipment, decals, dog cages, gun racks, specialty radios, and prepare the vehicle for standard use or for sale at auction. What I really like about VSP and the installation facility is having a well-lit facility that is properly heated and cooled to work in. It's a stress-free environment that is comfortable and clean. You have the opportunity to work on a wide variety of projects as well as our usual patrol vehicles. After 16 years upfitting police vehicles for a few private companies, the change of pace, the environment, and the benefits the state offers are a welcome difference. The installation facility is located in North Chesterfield, Virginia. If you have experience with electrical theory, auto mechanics, or the installation of emergency equipment and a willingness to learn, then contact us regarding full-time, part-time, volunteer, and internship opportunities. Former military members are also encouraged to apply. Some of the great benefits the Commonwealth provides includes excellent health, dental, and vision plans, paid time off, sick leave, 14 paid holidays, and opportunities for growth. Working with the Communications Division is a great way to support public safety from behind the scenes. Find the role that fits you best and challenge yourself to make a difference. Join the Virginia State Police today.